Hi, let's crochet Daisy Granny Square. This is made by a beginner for beginners, so believe me, it's super easy. I tested a few colors combinations and I'm planning to turn them into a summer top. You'll need yarn, a 3mm crochet hook and scissors. Let's start to make a slip knot. Then I'll make 4 chains, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to join these 4 chains into the first chain, making a small circle, and chain 3. You have now your first double crochet. Let's make 11 more double crochet. To end this round, I'm going to make a slip stitch into the third of the 3 chains that we started with. To pass the next round, I'll cut my yarn and tie a knot. To attach the white yarn, you just have to pass the yarn between a stitch and tie a knot. Let's chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to crochet 2 triple crochets together. I now have 3 loops in my hook, so I'm going to yarn over one last time and pull through all the 3 loops. Make 2 chains and into the next stitch space I'll crochet 3 triple crochets together. Chain 2 again and repeat the process until you make the 12 petals. To end this round, I'm going to repeat the process before. Make a slip stitch, cut my yarn and tie a knot. Final round. Let's attach the blue color. You know the drill, just pass the yarn between a stitch and tie a knot. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This will count as your first triple crochet. Make 2 more into the same stitch space. 2 and 3. Chain 1. Now, in the next stitch space, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 again, and again into this next stitch space, 3 double crochet. And 3. Chain 1. Now you'll make 3 triple crochet into the next stitch space. 2 and 3. To make the corner, of our square, chain 3 and make again into the same stitch space 3 more triple crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Here you can see the corner, chain 1, and now repeat the process. Into the next stitch space, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 triple crochet, chain 3, 3 triple crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, next stitch space, 3 double crochet, chain 1, next stitch space, 3 double crochet, and so and so. To finish, you just need to chain 3 and close the square. Make a slip stitch, cut the yarn, and here you have a daisy nanny square crochet. I really hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for sticking with me and don't miss the next video. Alla Joana!